Well, I guess I'll try again. Hole in the wall from a doorknob. Thank you, renters. All right. Now I do this a little different than most everybody else. I will seriously, doing this by myself. Y'all hold on. This is the fat boy way of doing it. I'll cut me a patch. I like dealing with squares better than I do round things. I don't patch round holes very well. I'll cut me a patch, come back to the wall, take a pencil right on the wall where my patch is, then I'll cut out the hole for my patch. Okay. Now I get that all out, cleaned out and good and everything. Excuse me, I got to stick some screws in my mouth. I can't hold it and do that. All right. Then I'll take this little 2x4. Now it's just actually a little bitty one, whatever. It's a little bitty board. It's too long, but this is an interior wall. So what I'm going to do is stick this in here and put a screw in the middle of it. So hold on for a minute. Alright, let me catch you up. I stuck the board in the wall and put a screw in the middle of it. I had it marked, the middle of the board marked. Man, I'm sweating. Okay. Now I will take some screws and put this joker and screw it through the sheetrock into the wall, and that'll hold the board. But I'm going to do a little something different than what most people do. All right, I'm gonna take a thin piece of cardboard and put it behind the wall between the sheetrock and the board. So when I screw the board to the wall, it'll be a little deeper. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here in just a second.